This heavy-duty dual 8 inches bench grinder is ideal for all grinding operations, including sharpening tools, deburring, rust removal, shaping parts, and cleaning objects. It's powered by a 3/4 horsepower induction motor that runs at 3,600 RPM for easy and reliable high-speed material removal. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 3/4 HP induction motor of the bench grinder provides superior power for industrial grinding applications. Number 2. Rugged cast iron base and motor housing of the 8 inches bench grinder provide durability and prolonged life. Number 3. Table grinder motor runs at 3,600 revolutions per minute for high-speed material removal. Number 4. Precision machined aluminum tool rests allow the user to accurately position work. Number 5. Rear exhaust ports and wheel guards for smoother operation. Number 6. 12.05 inches distance between wheels for larger and longer grinding applications. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.